guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today I want to do a very intense bold eye look, and I feel like I haven't done anything super bold lately, so I figured why not. And because I wanted to do a bold eye look, I didn't want to spend too much time on my face, so I did it before I came on camera. And in case you're wondering what I used on my base, I'll show you that real quick right now. First things first, I went with the Maybelline Dream Cushion. Then for concealer, I used the Makeup Revolution Define and Conceal Concealer. I then went in with my NYX Brow Pencil. And that's all I've done for my face, so let's just move on to the eyes. I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette today that she did with Morphe. And I think we're going to stick to this lovely region down here. So I already put concealer over my eyes. I'm just going to go ahead and take a little bit of this shade. I'm just going to buff that through my crease. This will just help all the other colors to blend a lot better over top of it. And then I'm going to go into this matte teal shade just on a pointed brush. And I'm going to put that in my crease and drag that in. Don't worry about the edges not being too cleaned up. We're going to clean those up at the end. Okay, so once I have that down, I'm going to go in with this shade right here. And I'm going to take that on the inner third of the eye. This is kind of reminding me of my mermaid makeup tutorial, only the more toned down one. Okay. Once we have that laid down, I'm going to go in to this dark blue right here. And I'm going to layer that in the center of my eye. And I am using these shadows dry, but if you want them to be even more intense, go ahead and just spritz your brush with some setting spray, or eye drops work really well. I'll gently tap into that first light blue and just go over the edges of the inner corner, just to help them blend a little bit better. And then for the last color, I'm going to go in with the purple right here for the outer third of the eye. Again, taking a tad of that middle blue, I'll just go over the edges where the purple and the blue meet, just to make sure everything blends together. And then I will just intensify any places that I feel like need a little bit more. I'm going to go ahead and just clean up the edges using a wet wipe, and I can go back in with my foundation and I'll just touch it up a bit afterwards. I'm going to take this dark purple eyeliner for my waterline on the bottom. Take a pencil brush. I'm going to dip into this shade first. Actually, before I do that, I'm going to just go ahead and touch up my concealer a little bit. So I'm going to take my Dare to Create palette, and I'm going to take the shade. I'm going to take this dark matte blue in it on a definer brush. I'm going to put that really close to my lash line. And then I'm going to take a little bit of this shade right here and this one, because there's a little bit of that oranginess in it. And I will just use that to blend out the lash line underneath. I'm going to slap on a nude lip with this eye look, because I think it needs a nude lip. It's very intense. To finish off this look, I'm going to go in with a nice highlight. I'm going to use this really bright one. So I really want a little bit of attention in that inner corner as well. To finish off these eyes, I'm going to go in with some mascara. Oh shoot, I didn't even want to use this one. I want to try a new one that I have. I have this mascara from Ciate that I've been meaning to try. So let's give it a whirl. Oh, this wand is funky looking. Is it me, or is this doing nothing? Okay. I don't like this. Never mind. Let's go back to the mascara I was using first. Yeah, that last mascara was doing nothing. Just nothing at all. I'm gonna finish off the rest of my face and put on a nude lip, and I'll be right back. Okay, so to finish off this look, I went in with Milani bronzer in Golden. I highlighted with the Essence Nude Pure Highlighter in Sunlighter. And for lips, I used the Ulta Beauty lipstick in the shade Stay Fierce. And that completes this makeup look today. I hope you guys liked it. It's definitely very bold. I wouldn't say this is an everyday, gonna see grandma kind of look. But I really like it, and I hope you guys liked it too. And if you guys want to see more bold looks, make sure to leave a comment below. Like up this video because it helps me to know. And if you want to see new videos, I upload every Monday and Thursday. Just hit that subscribe button to be notified. And I'll see you guys next time.